Hi everyone, welcome to this week's free newsletter brought to you by the folks at Trade with Precision. My name is Graeme and I'm one of the traders and contributors here at Trade with Precision. Before we get on with looking at the charts for this week, I do want to talk to you about two of the free live trading webinars we've got running this week. Just go to the website here, click on free live webinars and you'll see the two promotions that we've got running this week. The first one is Intraday Trading Myths Exposed. It starts in a few hours, but it's not too late to register now. And in this webinar about intraday trading, we will talk to you about the plain truth about intraday trading, the myths exposed and the benefits realized, optimal intraday techniques and risk management planning. It starts in about 10 or so hours. You can register for free by clicking on this button here. The second free video webinar that we've got running this week is how to become a successful trader. And I really like this one, the path to trading success and how to ensure you stay on it, why most trading strategies fail and how to prevent yours from failing too. And really important, the three critical errors that most unprofitable traders make and how to overcome them. This starts on Wednesday, the 11th of December. It's free. You can register by clicking on here. And while I'm talking to you about this, I want to tell you about a very special promotion that we are running this month. We've never run this promotion before. It's turning out to be very popular with people who are taking it. And in order to find out more about this special promotion, all you need to do is register for either of these two webinars this week. Register for free, take part, and hear what our special promotion is for this month only. So let's go and have a look at the charts. Well, I'd have to say the theme for this week once again is trends, trends and more trends. And trends are brought about by currency movements one against the other. The two most important things going on at the moment is Japanese weakness, the yen weakness, and the Australian weakness. So what we've got here is the daily charts across all the yen pairs. Look at the euro yen, look how it's pushing up. The yen is weak against the euro, therefore we have a very strong trend. Look at the Swiss yen, very strong trend to the upside against Swiss yen. That's brought about by yen weakness. Not so much on the US and the Canadian. It has been pushing up in recent times, but look here at the pound yen pushing up, broken through to new highs. And the Kiwi yen is pushing up and broken through to new highs as well. Now the Aussie weakness doesn't bode well with this particular pair, so I'm not looking at Aussie yen because there's not much happening in terms of the trend there. If we go and have a look at the Aussie and just see what's happening against the Aussie against the US dollar has broken down, tested 90, pulled back up, looks like it's going to go short again. Here's the Aussie yen, range bound, not much happening there, and I'll be staying away from the Aussie yen. The Aussie yen has been pushing up recently, and of course look at the Aussie against the Swiss, pushing down, very bearish, looking like it'll go to new lows here. Very strong trending here. Also on the Aussie against the Kiwi, very strong downward trend here, looking like it'll go even lower. The pound against the Aussie has been pushing high, it's hit resistance, it's pulled back, and now I'll be looking very closely at this 1.81 level to see if there's a breakthrough there and a close above. So in particular, where does this leave us? Well, let's go and have a look at the Aussie Kiwi. Here on the weekly you can see how the Aussie Kiwi has broken through this level here and is pushing on down to the short side. I'll be looking at pullbacks, cluster trades, PLTs, that sort of thing to get short on the Aussie Kiwi. I'll be watching that very closely this week. But the pair I'll be looking at most closely this week is the euro yen. Here on the monthly, the story is quite clear. You can see that the price is above this key level of 141, and if we go back in time, you can see how important this level is. We've had multiple touches back in time as far back as 2003. On this key level of 141. So now that we have a break above 141 with closing above 141, here on the daily what we've got is the price action is driving on forward. I'll be looking at pullbacks and CT type trades, PLT type trades back against this key level of 141. That's the one I'll be looking at most closely this week. So I hope you found that useful. I hope there's something in there for you to follow, and please don't forget, register for one of our free webinars and find out what that special promotion is.